In this tutorial, we will look at how to convert an existing Photoshop design into a visualizer form using the new Photoshop CC visualizer extension in Photoshop, released in Visualizer 7.0. The visualizer extension converts all of the layers, along with layer sets or folders, into visualizer widgets. Layer styles, such as gradients, color overlays, borders, and shadows, get converted into visualizer skin properties. You may also convert layers into PNG files for reuse in Visualizer as well. You can download the Kony Visualizer extension for Photoshop from Kony.com and install it on top of your existing Photoshop version. Once the extension is installed, it appears in the Windows menu under the Extension dropdown. Let's open the Photoshop design for conversion. The Global Configuration tab allows us to specify properties applicable to the entire PSD file, while the Layer tab allows us to override those global defaults at an individual layer level. Let's say I want all of the text layers to be converted to label widgets, and these layers, which correspond to Work and Skype, converted to button widgets. In the Global Configuration tab, I'll set all groups or folders to be converted to flex containers, text layers to be converted to labels, and all the other art layers to images. Select the Visualizer project location. This points directly to a project inside of your Visualizer workspace. Also, specify a form name. Position and size properties can be set in dp, percentage, and pixels. For this form, I will set the width and size properties to dp. Since we want specific layers to be converted to buttons instead of images, we can select each of the desired layers and select the widget type in the Layer Specific tab. We can turn off all unwanted layers in Photoshop and choose Export Visible Layers option to ignore the conversion of those unwanted layers. Now that the export is finished, let's open the project in Visualizer. As you can see, all the Photoshop layers have been converted into either containers or widgets, according to the configuration in Photoshop. The Work and Skype layers are converted to buttons in the form design. To submit questions, go to developer.kony.com, or to learn more about Visualizer, go to kony.com, Products, Visualizer.